There's only one vehicle that blends classic style and modern design to create the next generation of an icon. Take a look at this 2020 Ford Mustang GT Premium in Shadow Black. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, brake assist, rear body color one-piece spoiler, LED tail lamps, heated and ventilated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 1,734 miles on the odometer, 8-inch touchscreen display, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, split folding rear seats, 5.0-liter V8 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 6430A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.